Hello, welcome. In this video, I will teach you how to bake normal map using high poly mesh. Let's jump to Blender. First, let's switch from Eevee to cycles, because baking textures and maps you can do only in cycles. Also, if your graphic card is supported by Blender, you can switch from CPU to GPU. Next, make sure your low poly model have UV maps and is unwrapped. Then switch to shading, and in material properties you can add material and for example call it bake. After that you can shift A, image texture, press new, call it normal. You can choose by yourself the resolution. You can turn off the alpha channel because we will not need it, and press OK. Also remember to change from sRGB to non-color data. Very important that texture image node is selected. Now we're going to render properties, find bake. Here we change to normal and check selected to active. Very important. Now open selected to active. Here we have ray distance. For each situation the value might be different, but I will use 0.01. Now select your high poly model as a first, holding Ctrl, select your low poly model as a second, and as you can see it's active. And now you can press bake. As you can see our normal map is already baked, so you can save or save as your map. To make sure our normal map is baked properly, we can connect our normal map to normal mode, but first we have to use normal node. Shift A, search normal map node, and boom, here we have our beautiful normal map. If you like this video, please press like button, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you very much. Bye.